What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the F80 M3, and as you guys know, I want to install a carbon fiber roof. So the plan for today is to remove the original steel roof skin and prep the new carbon roof for installation. So let's get right into it. We got the glass out and it was very nerve-wracking because it's very easy to damage the windshield when you are removing it. Super easy to crack, but fortunately we didn't damage it, and we didn't even damage the tent that's on there. And I'm probably going to just leave that tent on there for now, even though Paul said it's not a good idea.
Terrible idea.
So what's the next step? Next step is to get the rear glass off.
Bust this thing out.
Nah, Paul, we can't bust that out. Yeah, you gotta kind of give it a...
Just play with it a little bit. You guys know what a palm out.
You gotta wiggle it.
Some of y'all play.
I usually tape them up like this.
What about this bad boy?
You gotta be careful with that. Dang.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
Why do you do this to yourself?
Why? I know, I was literally just about to say I'm starting to second guess the entire operation. Get it, Paul? Just pop that clip out, maybe.
No, those clips, once they pop out, they pop them back in.
I say pop out that one. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Paul has to do it his way, which is hey, don't sit. Yeah, I have no idea. Probably one of these ways. Here. Duh. So as you guys can see, it is definitely a lot more complicated than I originally thought. And Paul's laughing, but Paul, this is a very serious situation, man. It's not funny.
It's not serious for me.
You know, that's right. I wish somebody would share my pain here, dang. All right, the first.
See?
Look at that. That's beautiful, Paul.
Yeah, but that's just the skin. That's not that piece underneath.
Paul, that's all skin. That's all skin, buddy. Look at that. No, just leave it in there and go that way with it. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, our first hiccup. Let's see how Paul handles it. Very nice, man. Very nice. Look at that. I don't know what you were talking about, Paul. That looks like it's coming off easily. Like low effort. You're not even stressing. You're not even sweating.
Not sweating at all.
You're not, bro. Paul's literally not sweating it.
Literally not sweating.
Look at that. Master Paul. Oh, what's your professional recommendation on this swap?
I wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get some kind of really terrible project to make you help me on it.
What? Keep going, Paul. Keep going. Don't
Yeah,
give up yet. You're right there.
I gotta
Come
jump
on,
over.
Paul. You're right there.
Out here, this cheerleader.
Don't be a quitter. Don't be a quitter, Paul. Nobody likes a quitter, Paul.
That's true, they do.
All right, I'm gonna try to pry it up now. Guys, don't watch. I'm just ready for this thing to come up.
All right. You pry it up like that. Yep. You can put the thing up. Hold on, hold on.
Oh, okay.
What's this stud right here?
My bad. Am I in the way?
Oh, dude, this thing is fitted in and.
And the cool thing is, I haven't even damaged the roof a little bit. What did you say?
Full glass roof.
Aren't you the one who was just complaining about us doing this?
Well, we're already here.
That
Might
is
as
true.
well.
Dang, the thing would look sick with a full glass roof.
Or like at the Maybach, they got it rolls back like a tonneau cover.
Hey, just all you need is a little mini garage door.
Yeah.
Guys, look at that. We got the skin off and we didn't even damage it, not even a little bit. This skin can still be used.
Check it out.
We're idiots. We're idiots.
Screw in.
That's
Screw in.
Oh my goodness, dude. I feel so stupid. Guys, comment in the comment section how stupid I am, because I feel pretty dang stupid for that. I'm like I'm looking at this obvious nut and I'm thinking, how does that come off?
Not just that.
And there's threads inside it. And we spent all that time muscling it. Learning curve. Guys, 10 out of 10, I do not recommend.
At least we have the muscle to do it.
That's true. We need to get these off and throw that carbon roof on it just for measurement purposes. Close that door. Close that door. Look how sick that looks.
And before you used to have a carbon roof.
Ill. Paul, stop trying to flex you. Stop making it about you. So I'm going to look in the comment section, and if enough people tell me to paint this thing, I will paint it. But if not, I'm not painting it. Cat, what do you think? Also, I'm trying to name the cat. Since I know he is a male cat now, we know he is of a cat species. Where are you going? We're naming you. Come back. What do you guys think his name should be? Also, if anyone has any idea how this cover comes off right here, I will greatly appreciate that knowledge. I know that under here, I see a clip right there, and there's a screw. So obviously this cover comes off somehow. I don't know how. So if anyone out there knows, let me know, please. And guys, I love the way it looks. Look at that. The carbon and the black and the white, it all just goes together. And then wait till I put those wheels on it, man. It's going to look so good. Now that we have the crossbeam welded in, it is time to sand it down and throw a little bit of white paint on it. And also we need to clean up all the seam seal around the edges and get that other roof glued down. How you like them welds, Paul?
I'm not a fan.
Not a fan?
No. Are you proud of these under here?
Nope. I just want to be done, man. I'm not going to show them to you guys because I'm not proud of them, so.
Nothing to look at.
There ain't nothing to look at under there, is it?
Nothing.
Hey, we just want that carbon roof on there, and we want that interior buttoned up, and we want to be whipping the whip. Yo, Paul.
What?
You think you can start applying this? I think I'm gonna have to go get another tube. There ain't no way this is gonna be enough. Don't need a sunroof.
Yeah? Why? Did you sell that sunroof?
Yeah, you want to buy it?
Yes. Put it in your Ford.
We put it in the Ford Classic.
$100.
All right, let's put this thing on.
Go. Go. What?
Line her up, line her up, line her up. I like that. Don't squeeze too hard, sir.
Why?
Because it's supposed to be a little bit up.
Sigue de fish.
We're good. I think we're chill.
I think it's centered out, so I mean it can.
I think we're chilling. Now that the carbon roof is installed, we can continue working on the rest of the car. We got to give it a little bit of time to dry. And man, guys, this was a huge project. I could not have done this without Paul. So huge shout out to Paul. Thank you. And also thank you to Fred Johns for the super thanks from the last video. You didn't have to do that, bro, but I do really appreciate it. And to the rest of you guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Love you all. And I will see you in the next one. Peace out. So let me know in the comment section what you think I should name the cat. Cat likes long walks on the beach and cuddling. He also likes to do calisthenics and other various jiu-jitsu workouts. Cat is also a ninja in his spare time, and he keeps himself extremely clean. As you guys can see, anytime you see Cat, he is always cleaning himself or he is fighting off other cats.